Today we're going to unbox and have a quick look at the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system and talk about how it compares to the original Rode Wireless Go. What's up guys, Dan here from Slixt, and I'm pretty excited to have finally gotten my hands on the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system, the new installment from the Rode Wireless range. I've been using the original Rode Wireless Go system for close to a year now, and it's been absolutely fantastic. It's what you're listening to me talk on right now. I just use it for everything. Really top quality product. So the number 2 system really has big shoes to fill, but I'm sure being a product from Rode should be pretty impressive. Anyway, wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'll get it out of the packaging and show you what it all looks like. So here's the box the Rode Wireless Go 2 system comes in. Nice premium looking box. Let's open it up and see what it comes with. It's a very well stuck down lid on this. Unless I was supposed to access it from some other place. Nope, seems like the top is the place to go. Tell you what, this is quite a job. There we go, we're in. Oh, that's a decent sized storage bag. I suppose it's got to fit the transmitter with both transmitters and the receiver. The same type of nice neoprene sort of wetsuit finish that came in the original Rode Wireless Go, and that's been great. I found that really useful for carrying around the original Rode Wireless Go. No sort of separations inside, it's just one big pouch. But that worked fine with the original, so should work fine for this as well. We have a bunch of cables in here. So we have, one USB Type-C charging cable, a second, and finally a third. That's one great thing about Rode, is they give you plenty of cables and extra bits and pieces. Whereas some manufacturers might just give you the one charging cable because all 3 products charge off USB-C. They've given us 3, so we can charge all 3 of the devices all at one time. So the 2 transmitters and the 1 receiver. Also, we have our 3.5mm cable. And the Rode Wireless Go 2 Quick Start Guide. But I tell you, if this is as easy to operate as the original Rode Wireless Go was, then I won't be needing that one bit. Oh, look at that. Now 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and 3 little dead cats. It's nice for them to give you 3, because obviously there's only 2 transmitters, so you only really need two dead cats. So for them to give you a third one is a nice extra as well. Fantastic. So these look incredibly similar to the original Rode Wireless Go system, which is perfectly fine because that system worked fantastically. They look very similar in size and shape. So that's our receiver, and we have our 2 transmitters here as well. So it doesn't look like there's anything to tell these apart. I was sort of hoping there'd be like a 1 or a 2. I guess it doesn't really matter because they're both going to be doing the exact same job, but I would just like to know which one is number 1, number 2, to always use the same one in the same scenario. Okay, now the original Rode Wireless Go system was incredibly easy to operate. All you did is turn the receiver on, turn the transmitter on, they paired immediately, plugged it in, and away you went. So I'm really apprehensive to know if this is going to be the same, because I really want to continue that nice user experience that I had with the previous system. So let me just turn on the receiver first, just see what that looks like, provided it's got some battery. Yep, Rode Wireless Go 2. Okay, that's the receiver turned on. And now what happens when I turn the first mic on? There we go. So this one has been registered as number 2, and I can see the signal is being received up there on the 2nd channel. Brilliant. So I suppose you could effectively, and what I'll probably be doing a lot of the time, is just using this as a 1 microphone system if it's just me that's going to be on camera, and just bringing out the 2nd one when I want to film with someone else. So let me turn on this 2nd microphone, and that should occupy the 1st channel. On and connected straight away. That's what I love about the Rode system. There's no pairing, no holding down buttons. Turn them on, you're all paired and ready to go. So you can see this microphone is now registering channel number 1. When I tap it, you see number 1 is spiking up. And this one here is number 2. Brilliant, so all working nice and easy. And I suppose these little dead cats will clip on a similar way. No, they've actually changed the mounting system. So before they used to just press and kind of clip in on top. Now it looks like you actually twist to lock it in place, which is a welcome change from my point of view, because the last ones I found did fall off every now and then, which is a bit annoying. So we twist that, push it in. Give it a twist. That's locked in place. That is a fantastic change. I didn't realize that was one of the included upgrades over the original system, but that is an absolute game changer. That's one of the reasons I never really bothered with this on the original system, because I just found it would fall off mid-shoot and then your audio wouldn't really be as consistent as I'd like. Fantastic. Twist left, comes off. Brilliant, and it's nice they give you a full battery as well when you buy it, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. Anyway guys, that's just my first thoughts and initial impressions on this Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system. I can't tell you how excited I am to actually get it out in the field and start testing and using it. There's been so many scenarios where I've wanted to record 2 audio sources at the same time, and I've had to either record them separately and sync them together afterwards, or I've just not been able to get the shot that I want. So I'm really excited to test these out. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.